Yeah, I watched a lot of videos on YouTube, which they're not nothing, but I only seen two, and both people broke their LCD screens on the Samsung Galaxy Note 4. Guess what? I guess I'm the first one to make it happen, huh? So I changed the glass without cracking the screen on the LCD or the digitizer, and without taking it apart. I didn't take out the digitizer or LCD, nor did I take out the screw. I only took out the SIM card and the battery, and it is possible. If you want to know how I did it, get at me.